drive that tractor. Today we dug a pool.
Today we rented this TV 370 and we're going to be testing it out.
And let me show you how we did it.
And we'll find out how we scratched it.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay.
Tractor Beast here, let's dig.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.
Well, we had a little bit of a problem.
I was waiting for it to shut off.
Grandpa broke it with that.
I didn't even see that.
What?
I didn't even see the bursted pipe.
Yeah. So Turner was wetting down this area for my grandpa, and that pipe must run to the hose he was using. So when that burst, Turner was getting the water, so things shut.
I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
The owners left the hose on, so the pool filled up with water. So I emptied it with the Takahoochie.
In the machine, it's easy for me to see it.
Okay. Big brains. Did it right. I'm using the stick to measure the depth of the pool so we don't under or over dig.
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Video and for TikTok. Oh my gosh! What did you do, Turner?
I didn't do that.
It's cold.
Who did that?
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the